Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create wedding photo masks. Start by opening the wedding image and duplicating the background layer for safety. Then use the Object Selection tool to select the couple and switch to Mask Overlay mode to refine the selection with precision, paying close attention to veils, dresses, and soft fabric edges. Use a low opacity brush to gently clean up missed areas while maintaining natural transitions, and apply a small amount of feathering for elegance. Once the mask is applied, adjust the background using subtle blur or tonal shifts to draw focus toward the subjects, and enhance skin tones